Hello, little artists! Today, we have a fun purple dinosaur who's ready to skate. Let's get our colors and start coloring this cool dinosaur. Let's color the dinosaur in a vibrant purple shade. The skateboard can be green, and don't forget to add some bright spots on its body. The headphones should be bright green too. Great job! Now your skateboard dinosaur is all ready to roll and have fun. Isn't it awesome? Hi there, kids! This friendly dinosaur is driving a super cool school bus. Ready to make it look amazing? Let's get started! Let's color the school bus bright yellow and add a red cap to the dinosaur. You can give the spikes on the bus roof a fiery orange color for an exciting look. Amazing work! Your dinosaur school bus is ready to pick up some friends for a fun ride.